Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again. And for this video is magre-review na naman tayo ng isang sikat na product. Authority na yung brand na kapag pinakitan mo lang yung brand, yun, alam mo na. So this product I'm talking about is about this Garnier Vitamin C Face Wash. Isa sa mga sa akin ng mga nakaraang video is ano raw yung face wash na ginagamit ko. Aside from my Nivea Men, nung high school ko pa na ginagamit, long time usage, long time user ako ng Nivea Men na facial wash. Ngayon, nag-iiba rin tayo. Aside from this niacinamide soap na ginagamit ko, is ito naman. Actually, I've been using this for almost 3 weeks na. Yung acne, because it has antibacterial properties. Hindi siya nagde-develop ng tiny bumps, hindi siya nagde-develop ng small pimples sa pinapalaki. Actually, it actually parang hindi nga siya bright complete lang na Garnier. Para siyang anti-acne talaga na facial wash. Because it has a drying property, not just on pimple, but on your skin, which is not good. Yan lang yung downside sa kanya. Grabe siya magpa-dry ng face mo. Pero dapat meron ka rin pang counter dyan. Kung gumagamit ka ng super drying na facial wash, then gumamit ka rin ng moisturizer na bagay sa inyo, o kung anong moisturizer na okay na ginagamit mo at available sa lugar nyo. No? So this product, the Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Face Wash, promises clears dull skin. Yes, nade-deliver niya naman yung promise niya na if you have a dull skin, na parang uneven, nako-correct ngayon. For example, if you go out of the sun, syempre nagtan yung skin mo, kaya niya bang ibalik ito sa dati to make your skin fair or white? Yes, kaya niya. I've been using this for 3 weeks na. 2 weeks ago, we went to beach in Guimaras. Na medyo darken yung skin ko. And after consistent days of using this, I've been using that for day and night, which is effective siya when it comes to lightening or whitening your skin. But again, the only downside is it has a very, very drying effect on you, on your skin. No? Yan lang yung downside. So, when i-rate natin ito from 1 to 10. So, I give this product 7 because of its super drying effect on your skin. So, yun. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button. Yun. So, again, thank you very much.